Good morning. So I'm back again with another trip. Per usual, I'm gonna start recording a lot more. Just got through security. It is now 4:38. My flight does not take off until 6 a.m. So I'm about to get some breakfast and Dunkin' Donuts because that's the only thing open right now. Finally landed in the Dominican Republic, and I flew Delta. So actually, if you're here, so you know you need to get tested 3 days to enter back into the US. So here in Terminal B, where Delta is, there's a COVID testing site upstairs on the second floor. Right down this hallway, you get tested. The test is about $45, and the results take about 5 to 10 minutes to come back, and then you're good to go. So I'm literally just waiting for my COVID results, and then it's time to start the test. And just like that, it's negative, and we are good to go. Okay, so everybody's at the house besides me and 2 other people. So I'm walking to the other side of the airport to go meet the last 2 people, get in the rental, and go to the house. The house is literally 5 minutes from the airport. Finally made it to the house.
Really?
We might as well just walk to the back.
Yeah. They're not. I can see.
Hi.
Hola, hola.
The sun is beaming.
Oh, come in with the team.
All right, YouTube. This is my new friend. Say hi.
What's good?
Introduce yourself.
Jay.
This is Jay, y'all. We about to get lit. We about to take some shots, set up the hookah. Casamigos, you already know what it is. You already know the vibes. You already know the vibes.
It is what it is. There you go, baby. Game
Thank
time.
you.
Wait, give him one.
Oh, let's give him one for the one time.
One for the one time.
Yes, exactly.
Baby, y'all needed coals, right?
You travel with yours? I was told we can't travel with
If you pocket underneath
you can travel with it in your carry-on.
in your carry-on.
Yes, I do it all the time.
How you do that?
You brought cold?
Yeah, girl. You can travel with your coal and your shisha in your carry-on. They can't take it away. I've flown international plenty of times doing it. Yeah, no, you can't. We're all dressed in our brown. I got a tripod with a timer.
So listen to me. You gotta pay attention.
a shot?
Yeah,
Yes,
let's
you
do
are.
it. Oh.
Yeah, you might as well come around here now. So, Mom,
My
this-
Instagram, I mean, YouTube. My name is Fee. We're about to take some shots.
Yes.
That's it. What
I'm
is-
trying to save
Look
you.
what he put in this. Like,
Okay, come here then, because
Oh
you was
my
crying
gosh.
earlier. Come.
You was crying earlier,
I wasn't,
girl?
never. All right, so.
Ooh, I messed up. I was stressed. But I'm gonna do that. So I'm back. As you can see, I'm getting ready for dinner. We're supposed to be going to dinner. It's now 7:10, so we have taxi coming to get us at 8. This is my little fit, nothing major. So it's my little outfit or whatever. Let's get some shots going. I got it open. Waiting for the taxi, so we about to do some shots. Up to it, down to it. By myself, I guess.
You didn't eat while I ate. You didn't eat the window.
Right here, I got mine.
Oh, I'll pour everybody else but myself.
I told you my man will be recording.
I am recording. I guess we're about to take the shot. Y'all coming in? I'm gonna record it. Oh my god. Thank you.
and everything else. The last 18 to 19 months has been rough for us all. A lot of us didn't make it. So we are here now.
Okay. Yes.
We done been through social distancing
Yeah.
and everything else.
And now we're
But
together.
tonight
We outside.
is a different night.
It's a different night.
This weekend is a different weekend.
It's a different weekend.
These birthdays shall be celebrated, and we all shall be drunk.
Yes.
Can I get an amen to that? So, because tonight, yes, this is a little, but we're going to keep it moving. But anyway, tonight we're going to wish these beautiful ladies a happy birthday. We're going to enjoy life because we only got one to live. And look where we are, y'all. Where we at?
Let's go.
Taxi up front?
No, but let's put it to the corner. Put it in the
It was
corner.
at this moment right here I realized that me and Jay were gonna be best friends on the trip.
Let's go.
So
Nobody's
before we came out to dinner, they ended up breaking the glass on the table, and I dared Jay to steal the glass so we can replace the table because who's trying to lose a deposit? Not me, not we, not I. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Period.
Yo, we got it. We got it. We got it.
Call the van.
We got it.
We got it. I told you we got it. Wait, what? Call the van. We good to go. Call the van. We good to go. Don't worry about nothing. Hey, open somebody's purse. Open your purse. I gotta see it. Wait, here
So we are back at the house, and it is the birthday girl's birthday. So now we're having a late night pool party, and as you can hear, everybody's going crazy. Everybody's going crazy, and we're about to get in the pool. We're about to get
Mo
in the
for
pool.
life. Let me tell y'all something. Mo for life.
Why be
Mo
doing?
go hard, shorty. Mo go hard. That's all I gotta say. This my motherfucking ride or die regardless. I love you, Mo. Her nickname this weekend is Go Hard Mo.
Go hard, Mo.
Go Hard Mo. So when you hear Go Hard Mo, you say Go Hard Mo.
And that's on period.
Go Hard Mo.
So appreciative of you guys traveling all this way for my birthday. And you're welcome. I really thought about the type of token I could give you guys. And since my theme is 10K 30 nudes, and I'm a big advocate for some, good, whatever. I think you guys will enjoy my little goodie bags. I wanted it to be something that y'all gonna use, so y'all better use it. And I really thought about it. So for guys, here's one for you. It's a email. Here you go. Thank you. You need help? Guys, there you go.
Jordan, we here.
The lighting's
Mo.
dark. The lighting's dark.
Mo, tell them your name.
Mo.
No.
They already know who I am.
Say it one more time. What's your name for this weekend?
Go hard, Mo.
Go Hard Mo.
Okay, so Jay and I are leaving a message to you, Mo.
Appreciate you, Mo. Go Hard Mo. Love you for life.
You're a real one. Thank you for coming to celebrate my birthday.
Appreciate it. Go Hard Mo.
Yes. Bam.
Good morning. So it's the first morning and we're in the kitchen about to make breakfast. A little scrambled eggs, bacon, pancake, pork bacon, turkey bacon, because I don't do the turkey bacon at all.
Good morning. What's
Good morning, good morning.
Oh, Jay on the scene.
Okay.
Let's get it.
He came to take over because I'm too tired to cook.
Like what?
It's really humid up here. Oh my God. I said, what central air? It don't exist at all. Today, we're going on a boat. The boat theme is pink. That's my favorite color. Pink is the best color out here. So I got this cute pink bathing suit that I can't wait to put on.
Okay. You got more trucks, same colors inside the place we go now, okay?
Okay.
It's a number 7.
Number 7.
And the Johnny Walker is your driver.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Hey, Johnny Walker, blue or black?
Blue.
Right.
Only the ladies will drink me. Okay, we can.
He said only the ladies can drink them.
Johnny Walker.
All right, it's on the way back. If you want to buy a sample, the hat it's okay. But the other thing is that you come back. Okay. Maybe all the time you like. Okay? Okay, follow me.
Let me see. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, 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 oh.
Hey, Mom.
Are you really floating and sleeping? Yeah, are you floating and sleeping?
Alright, so I'm back. I'm not sure where I left off, but as you see, the girls, we getting ready to go out to eat tonight, be in their face as they should. Tonight's dress code is shades of nude. Yeah. So
I'm looking at you. I didn't look at you at all. Okay. Did I do it?
all right, let's go see what everybody else is doing, if everybody else is getting ready. Why is nobody dressed? Huh? Hey, huh?
One person is in.
Okay, I see you. Oh God, I forgot. Oh God. Okay, period. So, you know, homegirl over here hooked me up. She put my lash on for me. And yeah. Y'all feeling the dress? I got this dress from a local black boutique in Boston. Support black businesses all 2021. That's what we're doing. I'm starving. I think after dinner we're going to a lounge. You know, hookah mommy's coming out later, so y'all gonna see that. And shot o'clock at the pool. We having a pool party tonight. So yeah, you know what I always say, you already know the vibes. You already know the vibes. It's gonna be a movie. Hey, birthday girl all the way at the end. Birthday girl. Hey.
friend Noah.
Hey, girl.
New beginnings. New friendships. New family. And most importantly, Kay.
Yes, sir.
Now pause. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Y'all know I love my seafood and all that, but this was the worst lobster and shrimp I've ever had. Like, oh. So, location, we're in Dykeman. After dinner, about to get into some shenanigans. Hey guys, good morning. So we are in the grocery store because we have a chef coming to cook us breakfast and we have to buy the food for the chef to cook for us. All right, so breakfast, we have our chefs in here chefing it up. Eggs, bacon, pancakes, plantains, toast, French toast. We about to eat good this morning. Breakfast is served. And don't worry, I'm good. It's amazing. This is beautiful. Okay, we are finally at the beach.
Finally at the beach.
Finally at the beach, so...
Go hard, Mom. I got that.
There goes the hat.
I got that, Mom. We are finally at the...
There goes the hat
There
again.
goes the hat.
Honestly, at this point, put the hat back in the car. Put the hat...
Hold on, Mom. Let me see it.
It's like Scarface. Just put shorty hat on.
We at the beach. Finally. And the hat stays.
And the hat's going back in the car.
We were not bringing the hat?
It's gonna keep flying away, no?
No, you just got to put it on your big head. That's all.
Okay, well, it can't fit on my wig.
Trying to get a benefit. I didn't say head, but you said wig. This is the hat to wig combo.
All right, let's
Watch
go.
the skill. And
It's gonna fly off. It didn't even go on the front.
We there. See,
Okay.
no wind took it. Look, we there. Who's your boy, Mom?
Listen, I'm gonna lose the hat.
Bobby, you want money? I don't want money. I'm broke.
They got hookah?
So you go in, you'll dip down, you'll go up, and then be back.
So, I'm recording switching between this phone, which is my second phone that I don't use, and my regular phone. Anyways, so we just got back from the beach It is the last night and we're having a late night house party, barbecue type of vibe tonight. We bought some more drinks, we got a bunch of food, and we're gonna end this trip off on a bang. Right now it's kind of dead. I think everybody's like trying to get their life together, but like, come on, we leave tomorrow, guys. So at this moment, I'm looking around because I realize it's a damn ghost town up in here. Like, what? Right, so I think I need to go round everybody up because it doesn't seem like we're gonna have a party. It seems like we are on sleep mode and we need to be on turn up mode. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't know. I'm hungry and I want them burgers now. All right, y'all, so I guess apparently right now I'm gonna start getting lit by myself for now. So you know what we do, I got the lemonade in the cup. We got some tequila. And you can't have your tequila without your lime. So we got the lime on deck. I got 4 pieces of lime. Who wants to take a shot? Let's go. All right, get her. Right, you want to take a shot? Yay, woo! I recruited people. Pre-birthday. Her birthday's at midnight. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Boo.
Thank you, guys.
Good job.
He said balance the cup. He ain't telling me how I have to balance the cup. He said balance the cup.
Take a shot.
Put the shot in my cup.
Yeah, simple.
Put the shot in her cup.
Yeah, turn that shit over.
That's not good.
Very smart.
No,
You said balance. You didn't say how.
I think I'm not
Drunk Jenga going on.
Let's go. Creativity.
Ingenuity.
Love it.
Look, I ain't
Good job.
Woo!
out here trying to kill each other. I just want us to laugh about it.
Good morning. And just like that, it's time to go. The trip was fun. The trip was short. A nice little weekend getaway type thing. Some people already left for the airport. A few others of us, our flight's not till later. So the airport is literally right next to the compound that we're in. But I had fun in DR. I've been wanting to come out here for a while now, but I'm tired. I'm ready to get home. So yeah, DR, it was real, it was nice, it was short, it was sweet, bittersweet moment having to leave right now. I'm gonna miss it. Some people already left, and there's some of us that's still here. So I think I did really good, like with how much I persistently found time to still record, because you know we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers and I need to be more consistent. So shout out to all my friends that hold me accountable, and shout out to everybody here that held me accountable and made sure they was like, Mo, you vlogging? Mo, you vlogging? So my next trip will actually be next month, and as we get a little closer to the trip, I'll let you guys know exactly where it is I'm going, and you know we're gonna vlog that too, and it's gonna be another movie. So breakfast run before the airport, found this cute little diner, and behind it had this super dope like graffiti walkway, so you know I had to stop, get some pictures and all that good stuff. Made it to the airport. Have a few before my flight leaves DR. Grabbing some souvenirs, because what's a vacation without grabbing something before you go? There's a bunch of cute things in here. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. And so I'm in Atlanta, and unfortunately I have a long overnight layover. Well, not that long. I have about an 8-9 hour layover in Atlanta. It's now like after 8 p.m. I'm going back and forth with myself trying to figure out if I should book a room for 8 hours, and you know, but oh, not with me tripping with these Crocs. Hold on. But yeah, no, so I was talking to my friend, and they was like, do I want to spend an 8 hour layover in the chair, or do I want to spend an 8 hour layover in a room? So I don't know, trying to figure that out, but I'll figure it out once I get my bag, and then we'll see how it goes.